Hello guys and welcome back to Repair and Resell. In today's video we're gonna take a look at subscribers donation. This donation is coming right straight from Niagara Falls. It's from a subscriber from Canada, and it's pretty nice to get some donation from Canada as I'm also from there. And as you see, we also get some really nice stamp right here. If you can guess in the comment which place or these, it would be pretty nice. I'm knowing one for sure, and let's see if you can tell all of them in the comments. So I already opened it before. I take a look quickly at those two cartridges before the video to see if I can try to fix them. The first one is this one right here. It's a Pokemon Yellow. As you can see, the top sticker is in pretty bad shape. It's aiming its screw at the back, and if we plug it in a Game Boy, I'm gonna put it on the right side, it's basically doing nothing, as you can see. Here we go, and you can see the Nintendo logo right here is pretty bad, so it will need to be fixed. So I'm gonna put this aside. Okay, so now this cartridge, I don't have the device to test it, but this one is just not working. I have opened it before and I can understand why it's not working also. So I'm gonna start with the first Pokemon Yellow, giving you a look at the inside of it. I'm taking a Gambit screwdriver to do it. Forget my container for this video, and here we go. We're gonna take a look inside, just like that. So when I open it, I test all the pins for continuity everywhere. I couldn't find anything really bad, but I will need to look a bit deeper in it in the video. And I find that there was some continuity missing right here, so I run a jumper wire all along. Um, it's it's working, it doesn't look really good, but it's working and it's not shorting with anything else, so I think this is the important. But it was not enough to fix it, so I'm still gonna have to work on this one. And also what I noticed is that the battery was on the wrong side here on the motherboard, so I flip it around also, but this battery seemed to be completely dead, so we might need to change it. Probably the person that donated it removed the battery before. Not necessarily the subscriber who sent it to me, but maybe the one who gave it to the subscribers before. So this is it for this one. It will be a pretty interesting fix to do, and I think it will. This one I can do it pretty in some more recent video. I think I have everything I need to try and fix this one. So we're gonna reassemble it back, just putting it right there, putting the cover back on, and we're gonna put the screws in. And here we go, as simple as that. It's screwed back in place, and we can take a look at the other one, which is Metroid Zero Mission. This one has a red X on the top of it, but I succeed to scratch it a little bit with my nail just like that, and it come off pretty easily. So we still have a pretty nice looking case. Maybe a bit of cleaning will be needed because it's like sticky, you know. You see, it's sticky right here because the person who sent it to me put some tape on it to avoid it from moving in the envelope. So that's why it's sticky. For these cartridges, I don't have a Game Boy Advance to test them. I will try to find a device to test it later, but when you will see the inner of it, you will understand why it's not working. So to open this one, all I need is a 3-wing screwdriver, and it's opening up the same way as the Game Boy one. So here we go. Here it is. So when I tested it to see if there was some fault, what I noticed is that continuity is missing on a lot of those pins right here. I cannot find anywhere where it was going. It will need some further investigation. And when you look really close to it, you can notice that this chip right here seems to be misplaced, like this resistance right here that also seem to be misplaced. It's really tiny pieces, but trying to get you a better view. It's really some tiny component, so it's hard that I can be able to show them to you with the quality of my camera. We'll need to look for a better one. And for this one, as I will need to move this chip around, I will need a hot air soldering station to do so. I still doesn't have one, so I will need to get one and to see what we can do to fix this one. So this game is having a pretty good value if we can fix it. The subscriber who sent it to me basically told me that this one was really there was a lot of it was water damage, and under those chip is not looking really well. You can see right here that there is a bit of brown at the top of the chip. I assume that is like that all over, and this will be a pretty hard fix to do, but if we can do it, then oh, I'm just seeing something right here. Yeah, this trace is, I can see just from this angle that it's broken. The one right there that is going to the top, you see you have a copper color right here, and then stop, there's nothing more here. So the trace was ripped off. So this will also be an opportunity to run some jumper wire and to see if we can fix that kind of stuff. So this was it for those two cartridges. I will put them back in just like that. And the Pokemon Yellow one, I have pretty good hope that we can find a way to fix it if we're lucky enough. And I don't know if you guys were liking to play Pokemon when you were younger. I didn't have the opportunity to do so. I play, you know, a lot of Nintendo stuff like Sonic and Mario games, and but I never really have the opportunity to really enjoy a good Pokemon game. At the time, it was not really the type of game I would like to play. So if we can get this one working, I would be like really happy to take the time to try one out and to see if I missed something great when I was younger, or if it was well, I'm pretty sure Pokemon will be nice to go. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and have a nice day.